Hello, I'm glad to see you here. In this video, we will learn how to arrange an array of numbers, in ascending order from smallest to largest. First of all, we will create an array of random numbers. The length of the array is not important. We will find the length of the array, in the following method. All that remains to be done, is to go through each element in the array, and check if the number that comes after it is smaller than it. If the condition is met, we will switch the positions of the numbers. After we have changed, we will want to return to the beginning of the array, and perform the tests again. Now we will just print the array of numbers, before the change, and after the change. Well done! We succeeded to arrange the array from the smallest to the largest. If the video helped you, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to the channel, like the video, and write to me in the comments below what you thought of the video. Thank you. And see you next time.